it's me, Harpreet here with another video, and this is about iPad Pro. It's 11-inch, Wi-Fi version, and an Apple Pencil. I would like to call Prince to do the honors. Hello, Prince.
Hi guys.
Can you come and help?
What are you doing today? Oh my god, we have an iPad Pro?
Yes, brother.
Damn, with Apple Pencil?
You know, fun story.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, my parents used to give me a $2 pencil, and they're like, "Hey, you know what? Use it in school on normal paper." I would never use it, and our Apple is like, "Okay, I'll give you one $30 one. Use it."
God damn, that's cheap.
How, Apple? Explain me. How? Alright, without wasting your time, so this is a 256 version model. Prince is no help at all, as you guys know. Simple box, iPad, Apple logo, iPad, Apple logo. Some specs in the back. Alright, so at the front you got iPad, simple, with a little knob over here. It's so light. I mean, like, the box itself was so light. I don't even feel they included a charger. So designed by Apple in California, as you always know, California, not California. So that there's a Type C charger with C to C on the other end. So that's all for the little unboxing. Ooh. This is so light. It feels so good. Happy, do you want to feel it? Happy, feel it. Happy, feel it. I literally, like, the whole time, all I was thinking is there's nothing in the box. Like, literally nothing.
Laki ng bump up ng camera niya.
Yep. Just like the other one. Yeah, put it in the front.
Sarap, sutang.
It's so good, right? This is the Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil, Apple Pencil. There's a little knob to push it up, or to pull it out. Designed by Apple in California, or also known as California. I believe this one doesn't have any sticker, but some leaflet, so there's that. But Apple should have, you know, given a smaller sticker. And finally, the pencil. And to wrap it up, that's all for watching. Until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also hit the comment button. Oh, don't forget, by the way, before you leave, hit the bell button so stay updated towards our next video. Peace. Peace.